Hello and welcome. To rotate a video clip, right-click on your video file, choose Open With, and then select QuickTime Player. This is the vertical clip recorded horizontally in a wrong way. These clips need to be rotated counterclockwise or to the right. To rotate, click Edit in the menu bar, choose Rotate Left for counterclockwise rotation or right for clockwise. To save the rotated clip, click on File in the menu bar, choose Export As, and then select the highest resolution available. Give your new video file a name, choose a location, and select the format. Click Save. You can see the original and the rotated video clips side by side. It is like if this video helped you. Subscribe for more tutorials and tips, comment to ask questions or to give feedback. Thank you.